Hey, so can you upgrade or downgrade your Jungle Scout plan and subscription? In this video, you're going to discover if the answer is yes or no, and also how to do it. In the description, you're also going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout. So in case you'd like to save big on the plans, you have the discounts there, and a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. Great to meet you. My name is Vova Evans, seller on Amazon and a user of Jungle Scout. So let's read here. It's the official answer of Jungle Scout. So subscriptions, changing your membership. You can upgrade or downgrade your plan, or go from a monthly to an annual subscription directly from within the settings dashboard in your Jungle Scout account. So you log into your account, you click on settings, and there you'll be able to go from monthly to annual subscription, or downgrade or upgrade your plan. So if you're in Suite, you can go to professional, you can go from professional to Suite, etc. And here it says also, if you have an annual plan and want to move to a monthly subscription instead, please contact our success team at support@junglescout.com. So if you're on the annual plan and for some reason you want to go to monthly at the moment, you can only email them and they'll help you. So let's see how it's done here. There's a little tutorial. So in the subscription information section, click on the change plan button. That's going to be inside your Jungle Scout account. You can find it in the settings section. You click on change plan. It's going to bring you to the pricing page, which you can also find down in the description of this video. And there you're going to have the pay yearly, pay monthly. Remember, you cannot go from annual to monthly. Okay, but let's see what else they say here. The annual subscriptions are displayed by default. Just click on the pay monthly button to change the view if necessary. So if you want to pay monthly, then make sure you click on that, because sometimes people don't see that. They buy the annual, which is great because it saves the money, but sometimes they're like, oh, I wanted to buy the monthly. So make sure you click on pay monthly. Then choose the new plan and click buy now. That's in order to complete the purchase. It's saying like next, you'll be taken to the checkout screen where you can review your order summary and payment. And then if everything looks okay, you just need to complete the purchase to finish changing your current subscription. If you get the following error message, please get in touch with our CS customer support team for assistance at support@junglescout.com. For some reason, if you see that, sorry, you're not eligible for this purchase, then just drop them a message because they'll help you. Please keep in mind that we no longer offer standalone extension subscriptions. That used to be a thing in the past, but they don't have it anymore now. So extension, you can also download it in the description, the Jungle Scout extension. If you want to upgrade from an old extension Lite to one of our basic Suite or professional bundled plans, you'll lose access to your lifetime extension if applicable. Please get in touch with our amazing customer support team for assistance. Back in the day, Jungle Scout had a lifetime access to the extension. I think it was 2016-ish, 15 or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. And they no longer have it. They have the basic Suite professional plans. So if you're having any trouble there, just contact the customer support team. They'll be glad to help you, and they will help you. Here on the screen, you're going to find the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials to see how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. You also have the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description. And what can I say? I'm wishing you a great day, a happy life, and good experiences in your life. Good luck.